guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a requested recipe. You wanted me to cook pineapple chicken in my kitchen. Here it goes.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Here I have my chicken right there, nicely washed with vinegar and lemon juice. Take off the skin so it's skinless, alright? Make sure you wash your chicken nice and clean before you get started. Make sure your chicken washed nice and clean. I have exactly 4 legs and thighs in that container right there. What else you're gonna need? Of course you're gonna need your pineapple because you're making pineapple chicken, pineapple chunks to be exact. You're gonna need 1 cup of pineapple juice, thyme, fresh thyme, dry thyme, powdered thyme, it doesn't matter. In that platter right there I have scallion, tomatoes, pimento seed, garlic, onion, green bell pepper, red and yellow. Now, to spice it up a mad notch, you're going to need seasoning. Some kind of a seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, any kind of seasoning that you like besides beef and all them things that you cannot make beef, you make chicken. But you're going to need some kind of a poultry season, and then salt, black pepper, paprika, and of course you're going to need some ginger powder. If you don't have ginger powder, use fresh ginger. Perfect. Let's go. Now let's get this chicken started. The first thing you want to do is add a half a cup of pineapple juice onto the chicken because I want the chicken to marinate inside of that pineapple juice to give it more pineapple flavor. And you're going to leave a half a cup of the pineapple for later on. Salt, black pepper, paprika, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, powdered ginger. Now with clean hands, you want to go ahead and mix this all in. And you're going to let this sit for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. If you want to do this overnight, fine. But this one is going to go on my stove top in the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay guys, we're moving on to our very first step. Now that my chicken is nicely marinated, I'm going to go ahead and put my meat into that pot. You want to make sure that your pot is nice and hot. Now after the chicken been frying nicely on both sides, you want to go ahead and add the garlic inside of that chicken so it will get that garlic flavor. For about 3 minutes. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add my vegetables in. Add some saffron and pepper. Now I'm going to add the rest of the marinade from the chicken. Some thyme, apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add the rest of my pineapple juice all over that chicken. Then I'm going to add my pineapple chunks in. And then I'm going to add some ketchup to it. You could add some chicken broth or some water. But I like add water to mine. I like chicken broth or vegetable broth or something like that. Just about a half a cup of that. I'm going to go ahead and cover that up for about 30 minutes. And within about 25 to 30 minutes. Don't make it past 30 minutes. And within 30 minutes, that's going to be all done. So we'll be right back here in 25 to 30. Here you have it, guys. My pineapple chicken is all done. plate. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.